Sanibona ama-students. Namhlanje sokwenza i-Maths Lit for grade 10. I-topic ile enizobe niqala ngayo, I think between week 1, 2 and 3. Ama-numbers and calculations, we're going to be going through ama-formats, BODMAS, ratios and rates, ama-relationships between direct and inverse, and percentages. Yeah, okay, siqaleni. La kuma-numbers, okay, kuma-formats, we have something called a decimal point and a decimal place. Okay, we've gone through i-number system, sathi khona ama-natural numbers, ama-whole numbers, ama-integers, ngiyakhumbula. Okay, let's say manje ngiba nenumber engewona i-whole number, akuwona u-2. Asithi manje u-2 nengxenye ka-2. Asithi u-2 and a half, oku-2,5. Sikubiza kanje. Noma ungambhala as u-2 no half. U-half lo. Okay. Lento le sibiza ngokuthi fraction. U-1 uyi-numerator lo. Numerator. Mese u-2 le number engezansi i-denominator. Okay. U-1 over 2. Isho ukuthini lento? Ithi benginento ephelele yodwa, ngayihlukanisa ngayenza ophisi abawu-2. Yabo labo ophisi abawu-2 yi-denominator. Uphisi engizowuthatha from the entire thing i-numerator. If I'm only interested in one of the pieces, that means that ngino-1 lo piece lo out of ophisi abangaki abawu-2, 1 and 2. Okay. Now lana ke sesizothi if angifuni ukuyibhala as u-2 and a half kanje as a fraction, because this is called a mixed number. I-mixed number izofike ibe ne-whole number ne-fraction eceleni. Lana ke sizodila manje ngani ngento eyi-decimal, so ibhala in a decimal form. U-2,5 is something obuzoyithola mawenze njani? Mawuthe ubani u-5 divided by 2. U-2 ungena kangaki ku-5? 2, 4, ungena kawu-2, angithi? Mese kuba khona futhi into esalayo. Into esalayo yazuba u-1 over 2. Lo 1 over 2 ofana njengobani? No,5 kwi-decimal, u-0,5. Okay. For now ngeke kuze kuyenze sense much, but ngesikhathi siqhubeka senza ama-examples, it will become much more clearer. Alright. So, ngithi-ke u-2,5 lo comma lo lento le yiyo lento esibiza ngokuthi i-decimal point. I-point ngoba yini? Angithi yabo it's a point. Mawuthanda ungayibiza nge-comma. I-point, i-decimal point. Mase i-decimal place kusho ukuthi mase ngidlulile-ke sengingale kwe-comma, mangaki ama-places akhona la, cause uyakwazi ukuba nenumber engenawo u-5 kuphela. Kusangaba u-2,5, 3, 6, 1, 5, yabo? That means that le number le iyonke iphelele ine-whole number ewu-2, mese iba nama-decimal places amangaki? Awu-1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nginama-decimal places awu-5. Le number mangiyi-read-a ngithi u-2,53615. Angisho ukuthi u-2,53,615. Please do not say lento le u-2,15. Inamba engale kwe-decimal point asiyibizi as if i-whole number. Inamba eyi-whole number ile ngala ka-left we-decimal point. Ngala ka-right we-decimal point ama-decimals lawa siwabiza nga-11111. Lo u-10,25 akuwona u-10,25 akuwona u-25 lo. Lo u-25,10 akuwona u-25,10. Okay, let's move. Mese siba nento ethi-ke siya round off. Okay, when you are rounding off sizobheka-ke manje, let's just say ngizokwenza i-example ngithi ngino 3,6 mese ngithi mina round off to the nearest whole number. U-nearest kusho ukuthi leseduzane ne-whole number. Khumbula ngithi ama-whole numbers lezi number ezo-0, 1, 2, 3, 4, uyakhumbula? Now nansi i-whole number enginayo njengamanje u-3. Lo 6 lo uyi-decimal. Ngino 3,6. Mangifuna ukurounda off kusho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi kube imali engizokwazi ukuthi ngiyifunde kangconywana. Do you understand? Angifuni ukuba no 3 rand 60. Let's just say this bekuyimali u-3 rand 60 lo, okay? 3 rand 60 cents. Ngifuna uku-round off to the nearest whole number, meaning it's either ngizo-rounda down. Ma u-rounda off, you can either round down or you can round up. Shuthi lento le mali isangaqhubeka ibe u-4 rand noma yehle ibe u-3 rand. Sibona ngani ukuthi siyayikhuphula noma siyayehlisa? Sizo-check-a i-decimal place le. If kuwukuthi kwi-decimal khona u-0 noma u-1 noma u-2 noma u-3 noma u-4, you round down. Ma kukhona u-5 noma u-6 noma u-7 noma u-8 noma u-9, you round up. U-3 rand 60, u-6 uyabona ukuthi ula, which means we must round up. That means izophenduka lento ibe ubani? 4 rand. Asenze esinye isibonelo. Ngino 5 rand 45 cents. Round off to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number. Nansi whole number. Mina mangiround off to the nearest whole number, mele ngicheck i-decimal place yokuqala. Yakhumbula ukuthi sikhulumile ngama-decimal places. This is the first decimal place. I-decimal place yesibili le eyesithathu, le it's the fourth one. This one is the fifth decimal place. If I'm rounding off to the nearest whole number, I must look at the first decimal place to the right-hand side. U-4 la, which means I must round down. When you round down, please don't make the mistake of thinking you need to change your 5 and make it a 4. No. Rounding down means yek injengoba injalo. Leave it as it is. So u-5 rand 45 becomes simply 5 rand. You understand? You don't say uzo round that down and become u-4 rand. No. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's say now they tell you to round off to the nearest decimal place and you have u2,678. Okay? Or let's say 4. We will use the number le. If they say round off to the nearest whole number, when you look at the first decimal place, u6 will change u2 and become u3. That means that if they say round off to the nearest whole number, this becomes 3. This is to the nearest whole number. Okay? If they say round off to the nearest decimal place, that means that they want you to make le number le ibe ne decimal place A1. For you to round off to the nearest one decimal place, you look at the second decimal place. U7 will change u6. Kuyakhumbula ukuthi sithe we round up if inumber la u5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. That means that this will become 2, 7. We have rounded off to the nearest decimal. 1 decimal lo. If they say round off to the nearest 2 decimal places, bafuna ukuthi le number le ibe nama decimal places awu-2, bafuna inumber kanje. For you to round off to the nearest 2 decimal places, guess what? Wena uzobheka inumber yesingaki? Yesithathu. U8 uyamshintsha yini u7? Yes. That means that this will become 2, 6, 8. 2 decimal places lo. Okay. Finally, if they say round off to the nearest 3 decimal places, that means they want a number that has 3 decimals. When what you must look at is the fourth one. U4 uyamshintsha yini u8? No. That means we need to round down. And when we round down, asisho ukuthi u8 must go down and become 7. It simply means leave it as it is. Ishiye kanjalo. So this will become 2, 6, 7, 8. This is 3 decimal places. Okay? That is what rounding off means. Okay, singene BODMAS. BODMAS is a mnemonic that we use ukubona ama-order of operations. Ama-order of operations sikhuluma nge-multiplication, i-division, i-addition, i-subtraction. Okay, ilawa ama-operations that we use ka-mathematics. But awalingani in terms of i-order yawo. Awukwazi ukuqala nge-multiplication ungakayenzi addition. Ngirong mangisho kanjalo, but I'm just giving you an example that i-order, that's what it means. It means that khona i-operation that you need to start with before ulandele ngenye. So this is what we use to remember ukuthi simisa kanjani. Usebenzisa ini? BODMAS. Okay. B stands for brackets. Ama-brackets lawo. That means that if unento ethi 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4, you always start ngento ela kuma-brackets, ilawa ama-brackets. You first need to do u2 plus 3 kuphume ba? Kuphume u5. Kuyima uthi 5 multiplied by 4 kuphume u20. You understand? You always start with ama-brackets. Mese siba nani? U-O. U-O umele ama-orders. Sometimes babhala bathi BODMAS kube u-ilo. Okay, it can either be u-O noma u-E. Maku u-E kumele ama-exponents. So ama-orders yilezi number eyinama-roots neyinumber eyinama-exponents. Lo x lo ungakudidisi. U-x, it simply means it is an unknown variable. Okay, it is an unknown variable. It just means that kune number la kungayinoma yini la mengithanda I can make x become 7 squared. I can make x become 5 squared. Right now I put x in place of a number because ngisuke ngingakayi-allocate ukuthi yini leyo number. Okay, now yilezi number kanjena-ke uqala ngama-bracket then ulandela ngazo. So if unesibalo esithi 2 plus 3 plus the square root of 16, you cannot start by saying 2 plus 3. You understand? Okay, maybe let me put minus la. You do not start by saying 2 plus 3, then uzela. No. Phela i-addition asikakafiki kuyona. You first start with le order le ene root. You do 2 plus 3 umshiye kanje, then you subtract. Ubani square root sika 16? Square root, the square root is an opposite of a square. You remember sake sakhuluma ngento ethi 1 squared is equal to 1, 2 squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, and so on. These lo 2, 2, 2 ama exponents. Okay, the opposite of an exponent ilento nje i-root. If ngifuna ukubuyela back emumva, if I take the square root of 1, into engizoyithola kwi-calculator yami 1. Taking the square root of 4, you will get 2. The square root of 9, you get 3, and so on. 3 squared 9. I-square root sa 9 3. I-square root sithi khona iy'namba eziwu-2 ey'fanayo that I multiplied together 3 times kwaphuma u-9. Which are those numbers? U-9, that means I did 3 multiplied by 3. U-4, that means I did 2 multiplied by 2. U-1, it means I did 1 multiplied by 1. Okay? So that means the square root sa 16, iziphi iy'namba eziwu-2 ey'fanayo that I multiplied to get to 16? U-4. That means the square root sa 16 ubani? U-4. Only then can you go and check ukuthi do I start with the addition noma subtraction. That's where sesifika khona-ke la. U-D umele division. This means that ngilandela nge-division. After division, I do multiplication. Okay. After multiplication, A, guess what? Addition, right? I mind bandla spelling, I mean handwriting yami yimbi ngiyayazi. Ifana njenge voice yami. Addition sigcine nge-subtraction. Okay. So nango ku-BODMAS. Ama-brackets, ama-orders or exponents, then you do division, next multiplication, i-addition uyivale ngani? Nge-subtraction. Let's do an example. Say-ke manje bakunikeza isibalo esibeka nje. Bathi 2 multiplied by, in bracket, okay, ngizorana out of space la. Let me do it ngala ngizobuye ngisicishe. Let's say bathi 2 multiplied by, in bracket, 3 plus 4 minus the square root of 25 plus 3 minus 5 squared. Okay, yeah. Into ezoqala oyenzeke la, ungatatazeli. Ungathi hawima I need a calculator to do into engaka. No, yazi into oyidingayo la, udinga u-BODMAS. Uzokwenza njena-ke. Ngino multiplication ngithi la, yabo? Shuthi khona u-M. Uyabona ukuthi lento le ama-brackets, yeka lento la phakathi kuma-brackets, wena unama-brackets la, shuthi ubhilo. La unani une-subtraction. lento le i-root une-order, lento le i-addition A, and this one i-subtraction. Lo i-exponent, meaning kunenye ini i-order. All you need to do is use u-BODMAS. So qala ngani? So qala la kuma-bracket. Konke lokho okunye uyama ngakho. Uqala ngama-bracket u-B. Shuthi we will write u-2 njengoba enjalo, we multiply. Uba u-3 plus 4 u-7. Then konke lokhu sikubhala njengoba kunjalo. Minus the square root of 25 plus 3 minus 5 squared. Sesiqedile ngani? Ngo-B. Yini elandelayo? BODMAS. Kulandela u-O. Bawu-2 O. So benza kanye kanye ngoba bayafana. So bhala la sithi 2 multiplied by 7 minus nangu O. Ubani square root sa-25? U-5. Siyadlula. Plus 3 minus ubani u-5 squared? U-25. U-5 squared means 5 multiplied by 5. Phuma u-25. I-square root sa-25 sichaza ukuthi iziphi lezi namba ezimbili ezifanayo engithe yona multiplied by yona kwaphuma u-25, u-5. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngithe mina i-square root siyi-opposite ye-exponent. U-5 squared maye u-25, shuthi ne-square root sa-25 u-5. Usuqedile ngani? Ngo-O no-O. Emva kwa-BODMAS, kulandela u-D. Asinayo i-division la, so we skip. Kulandela u-M for multiplication. Asinawo onanga multiplication. Shuthi silandela lana-ke. Nansi into elandelayo. We need to do 2 multiplied by 7 ofana no-7 multiplied by 2. Sizoba nobani manje? No-14. Kulandele ini? U-minus 5 plus 3 minus 25. Sesiqedile ngani? Nge-multiplication. Kusele i-addition ne-subtraction. Ku-BODMAS siqala nge-addition sigcine nge-subtraction. Okay. I-addition lana-ke kuzokusiza ukuthi ukhumbule back ka-grade 8 naka-grade 9. Uyakhumbula ama-like terms ka-grade 8 naka-grade 9? Le i-positive, u-positive 14 lo u-negative, lo u-positive 3, lo u-negative 25. Ama-like terms-ke siwahlanganisa-ke, yes? Because ama-like terms. U-negative 5 asimhlanganise no-negative 25 ngoba bayafana, basikhiphele u-negative 30. Mese lezi eyi-positive nazo asiyihlanganisi. U-positive 14 no-positive 3 bazosikhiphela u-positive 14 plus 3 u-17. Bazalwane, le nto ifana nse nokuthi u-17 minus 30. Siyazwana? Noma u-17 ungambeka ngala, u-30 ebe ngala o-negative, noma u-30 o-negative ungamletha ngala, u-17 o-positive abe ngala, kuzophuma i-answer efanayo kwi-calculator. Okay? I just decided ukuyenza ngale ndlela engiyenze ngayo. So, ngino-negative 30, ngino-positive 17. Uyi-add-a kanjani into enje? La ngine-integer. Nayo le isayi-integer because it is a positive whole number. Okay? Now, ngifuna lento uma uyenza ama-negative numbers ngoba silaka maths lithi, ngifuna ucabange imali. Think of negative as something that you owe, positive as something that you have. That means that mina ngino 17 rand, imali enginayo, but I owe 30 rand. If ngikhokha ngalo 17 rand, do I have money left over ezoba positive kumina? No. Into ezokwenzeka ukuthi I will pay you 17 rand but still owe enye imali ngobani ngikweleta imali eningi kunale nginayo. So let's check it. Kusho ukuthi mina if I pay ngawo wonke lo 17 rand wami enginawo, imali still engisayikweleta no, not 20, u-13 rand. You can obviously use the calculator yakho. because u-10 no-10 bazowenza u-20, u-3 no-7 benza u-10, u-20 no-10 benza u-30. So nansi-ke i-final answer u-13. Noma lento ungayifaka e-calculator yakho injengoba inje, it will give you u-13. But the beauty of BODMAS ukukhombisa ukuthi you can actually do i-maths using i-mental calculation. Ungadiphendeli kakhulu kwi-calculator, because you will get ama-problems whereby bathi show your working. Can you see ukuthi you will get a mark, you will get a mark, you will get a mark kona wonke lama-steps until ekugcineni. Wena uma uvele uthi hayi mina ngeke ngiyenze indaba ya-BODMAS, ufake yonke lento kwi-calculator, the only thing ezovela wena kwiphepha lakho u-13. Uzothola imaki elilodwa, ungawatholi wonke lama-marks lawa, yabo? Okay, so iwona BODMAS-ke lo usisiza lapha uBODMAS. I hope kuyazwakala. Okay, then singene kuma-ratios and rates. I-ratio ne-rate kucishe kufane, okay? Phela ukuthi i-ratio, we are comparing things of the same unit. Okay, i-ratio-ke leyo. We are comparing things with the same units. For example, mangithi mina ngina 2 apples and 4 4 bananas. Okay, ama-aphula no banana, they have the same units. Okay, ama-units akhona ukuthi you can just say 1, 2, 3, 4. You can never say 2 centimeters of apples but lo munye 4 kilometers of bananas. Izinto engizama ukuyisho, ama-units ayafana. It's just 2 apples and 4 bananas. I-ratio would be 2 apples is to 4 bananas. Lento le, these 2 dots, you refer them as is to. Okay, 2 apples is to 4 bananas. You can still simplify, because khumbula ngathi mina i-ratio iyafana ne-fraction. I-ratio is the same as a fraction, whereby lento ka-left i-numerator, lento la ka-right i-denominator. Basically, this is the same as 2 over 4. Once you flip it like this, you 2 over 4. And 2 over 4, if you divide la, go 2 na la, go 2, you will get 1 over 2. So, muso ibuyisela futhi back, izoba 1 is to 2. So, nansi ratio yakho. So, i-ratio, you are comparing things with the same units. This is very important, please. The units need to be the same for it to be a ratio. Kanti i-rate, you are comparing things with different units. Okay, so it's different units. Lama units engikhuluma ngawo, i-weight, isisindo sento. I-unit of measurement can either be milligrams, grams, kgs, tons. I-liquid noma i-volume, i-unit of measurement can either be milliliters, liters, kiloliters. These things here is what we call ama-units. Okay, if the units are different, awafani i-rate. For example, mangithi mina i-maximum speed noma i-speed limit semoto ku-freeway 120 kilometers per hour. This is an example of a rate, because a kilometer is a different unit from hour. Kilometer is a unit that we use to measure distance. Kanti hour is a unit that we use to measure time. This basically means that if uhamba ngale speed lesi 120, it means after 1 hour uzobe usuhambe ibanga elingango-120 kilometers. 120 kilometers divided by 1 hour ibhalwa kanje kahle kahle. Once you divide 120 no 1, you will get 220. But when you divide the kilometer nge-hour, you get kilometer per hour. This is what we call a rate, okay? Whenever you get ama-units angafani, leyo nto izobizwa ngani? Nge-rate. Okay, let's ngene ku-direct and inverse proportion. These are my relationships now, okay? Sometimes you can have a direct proportion relationship noma an inversely proportional relationship. Qale ngo-direct. U-direct proportion ngizokwenzela isibonelo using a graph whereby this is your x and this is your y. So sazongena kuyona lento yama-graphs, okay? Let's say we are comparing inch, or let's compare time and salary. Okay, sikompara isikhathi nemali oyiholayo. U-direct relationship noma i-direct proportion ithi when one variable, lawa ama-variables, yes, u-time i-variable no-salary variable, when one variable increases, the other also increases. Leyo nto uzoyibona ngokuthi ibe line that goes up like this. Ithi leyo nto, if ngisebenza i-hour 1 ngizohola 10 rand. Kodwa mase ngisebenza u-2 hours sengizohola 20 rand. Mangisebenza u-3 hours sengizohola 30 rand. Do you notice that as isikhathi si-increase nemali engiyiholayo iya-increase? Ne-graph yami ikhombisa ulayini that looks like this. This is what we call a direct proportion. When one variable increases, the other one also increases. Can you guess ukuthi u-inverse kuzoba into ekanjani? U-inverse means that when one variable increases, the other one decreases. Hayi ukuthi when one variable decreases, the other one also decreases. No. Yila ku-direct proportion whereby kuyafana. When one increases, the other one increases. Ku-inverse, when one increases, the other one decreases. Asibuke mhlambe singenza isibonelo sani nje la. Asenze isibonelo sesikhathi or noma senze isibonelo sabantu, inamba yabantu abasebenzayo nesikhathi that they take to finish a job. Okay. La independent variable is going to be the number of people. Okay, so la soba no number of people. Sisazofika kule nto yokuthi ubona ngani ukuthi into i-independent variable noma i-dependent, and this is going to be time. Okay. Do you agree with me ukuthi if we are building a house, for example, and manginabantu abawu-10 who are building a house, it might take me mhlampe ngizoyibhala ngani nje lento, let's say ama-months la, okay, time in months, kuzongithatha 6 months. Manginabantu abawu-20, do you agree that isikhathi sizothi ukwehla cause sebebaningi abantu abasebenzayo ngithi. Maybe it might take me now 4 months. If ngithi senginabantu abawu-30 abakha lo muzi, maybe it might go down to being 2 months. So 10 people corresponds with 6 months, 20 people correspond with 4 months, kanti 30 people corresponds with 2 months. Look at the shape of the graph manje. Isiya phansi, it's going down. This is an inversely proportional relationship. Okay? Directly proportional, when one increases, the other one increases. Inversely proportional means when one decreases, the other one increases. A number of people, when they are increasing, the time it takes to finish the job decreases. Okay. Now then, to wrap it up, sizokwenza ama-percentages. Sizocela kakhulu kodwa kuma-percentages as we go on further with ama-lessons ethu. But basically, i-percentage, it is always out of 100. Okay? Abanye bathi le sign ye-percent ithathwe ku-100. Can you see that 1 lo no 0 about 2? But yeah. Okay, so a percentage it's out of 100. How do we calculate a percentage of something? Of means multiplication. That is why o wala board mass engachazile ukuthi of, which is a mistake that most people make. Akuwona brackets of division lo, orders lo, cause of means multiplication. If this was of, that means it's number multiplication awu-2 manje la, which does not make sense. Nanku of la, o means ochaza ukuthi multiplier. What is, let's say mhlambe bazothi manje ka esitolo esiwukuthi sine special seyicathulo. Iy'cathulo usually zu-300 but sine special whereby uzothola u-30% discount. Mese bethi calculate the new price of the shoes. Abanye futhi bangabuza ukuthi calculate the price, the value or the amount of the discount ukuthi bakwehlisele ngamalini. Uzothi wena the original, okay, i-formula ithi original, you take the original, you multiply with the percentage which is equal to new amount. I-formula to calculate a percentage le. Ubani originally the shoes were 300 rands. We multiply with 30%. You need to rewrite 30% as 30 divided by 100. Every time. 6% ufana no 6 over 100. 70% ufana no 70 over 100. 3.5% ufana no 3.5 over 100. You always divide by 100. Thatha le number ebhalwe la, divide ngo-100. That's a percentage. Then you will get a new amount. Lana ke sefanele sisebenzise ama-fractions. When multiplying fractions, you multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Ubani 300 times 30? Ha, ayingeke sekunzima. Okay, ubani ku-3 times 3? U-9. No 0 about 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoot 300 times 30 u-9,000. Divided by 1 times 100, 100. Cancel lo 0 na lo 0. Ilo 0 na lo 0. Kusala u-90 over 1. That means that i-discount abakunikeze yona eka 90 rand. Okay, that is it for today.